Go to the page you want to edit. Click on Edit with Elementor. Navigate to Envato Elements and select Free Blocks. Choose the Hero section template. Scroll down. Select the desired template. Go back to Envato Elements. Click on Free Blocks again. Choose the Focus Boxes section and select the template. Again go to Free Blocks and select the Pricing Table section. Choose this blue template. Once more go to Free Blocks and select the FAQ section. Click on Update. In another tab, go to the Projects page. Follow similar steps to design any page. Your beautiful website is now ready.